Hey, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to share with you a 5-sentence email that did over 5 figures in sales during a recent launch that I just had. I'm going to break down what this email is and what's going on, what made it work, and how you can kind of do this for yourself, whether it's for your own list or for a client. Now, before we get into the email, if you are new here, my name is Sean, and on this channel, I talk about how to make money from writing online. So if you want more content around that, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button and also the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as you can tell, I love to write emails because they make a lot of money. And so we're going to cover one of these emails today. So here on my screen, I have this 5-sentence email. Technically, I guess you could say it's 7 to 8 sentences if you count these bullets, but I'm just counting these bullets as 1 sentence here. So what's going on? It starts off by saying, if I gave you a super simple 5 email campaign that's done 10K to 50K plus in sales whenever I've sent it, along with the blueprint on how to find the right businesses who will pay you for it, how to craft a delicious offer they'd feel silly saying no to, and templates on what to say to get their attention without pissing them off. Would you take me up on it? Click here for more deets. Now, I'll show you where this link leads to in a second, but I want to break down what's happening here. So the first line is just saying, if I gave you this thing that's gotten this cool result for me whenever I've used it, right? If I gave you this 5 email campaign that's done 10K to 50K in sales whenever I've sent it. So it's a clear, exciting thing that I'm giving them, a clear desired outcome that I'm giving them, along with the blueprint on, and these are some things, some extra benefits that they're going to get on how to use this campaign. Would you take me up on it? So I start off with that clear desired outcome, right? I'm giving you this super specific thing that gets this clear desired outcome, along with some additional bonuses or benefits on how to use this. How is it going to benefit you to get this thing? And then a simple ask, right? Would you take me up on it? And that's it. So this link here, this actually leads to a post in my Facebook group. And it's basically the same thing with some extra lines. So you can see here, same line, same bullets here. Would you be interested? And then I say 197 people in my private email side hustle community will be getting access. If you're down to get jiggy with it, check out the details in the comment below. Your compadre, Sean Anthony. P.S. Doing this for just one business, and you can make an extra 1K to 5K plus recurring per month. Do it for 2 to 3 or more, and your income could be looking a whole lot different a year from now. And in the comments here, I link to the sales page for one of my programs called the Email Side Hustle Program. And so this did over 5 figures in sales in one day, just sending out this super simple email. So it started off with this email to my list. The link goes to this post here. And the extra lines here, this is just a little bit of social proof, right? 197 people are going to get this. And I'm also creating some FOMO, right? I want to be in that group too. I want to get my hands on this campaign too. If you're down to get this and get started with this, check out the details. And in the PS section, I continue to build excitement, right? What would it look like in their life if they had this campaign and these things in the bullets here on how to do this, right? What would they get in their life if they had this campaign that's done 5 figures in sales whenever I've sent it and know how to get businesses to pay them for the same campaign? So I paint a picture of what that looks like in their life, a very clear picture, right? Clarity is everything. So doing this for just one business can make you an extra 1K to 5K plus recurring per month. So I give exact numbers. Do it for 2 to 3 or more, and your income could be looking a whole lot different a year from now. So I'm getting them excited. I'm painting a picture of what life can look like once they get this. And then here, I just link to the sales page. So this is just a simple sales page, and it goes over the program here. If you want to check this out, go to growthresponse.io/ESH. And so this simple 5-step email, 1, 2, 3, I'm counting this as 1, I'm cheating, 4, 5. This is a 5-figure email. It doesn't always need to be long. It just needs to be clear, and you need to have a clear benefit on what they're going to get if they sign up for whatever you're offering here at the end. So just wanted to do that quick breakdown. If you want to do a similar email, just follow the framework I just laid out for you, right? If I gave you this super clear desired outcome, along with these extra benefits on how to use that and get that outcome and leverage that outcome, would you take me up on it? And then you could have the details like how I included here if you don't have a Facebook group. But hopefully that's helpful. If you have an email list already and you already have some offers, you can send this out. And I'm not saying you're going to make 5 figures right off the bat, but you can definitely get a nice sales day coming in if you send this out the right way. So I hope this gave you some ideas. Hope you got value out of this. If you did, give it a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy.